Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beastleg72, as you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, before I start, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also comment below on your thoughts about this video. And let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. Share the channel with your friends or anyone you know who's interested into trading. So, guys, as you all see today, I won't be analyzing anything. Instead, I will be just guiding you through what we call market structure. So market structure, guys, most people struggle with that. You understand? Most people tend to blow accounts due to the fact that they can't identify a market structure change, or whether it's an uptrend or it's on its consolidating phase, or whether it's on its downward trend. You understand? So today I'll be just discussing the market structures, which we have an uptrend, a consolidating phase, and what a downward phase. You understand? And also I'll be just guiding you through when there is a change of character, meaning when an uptrend is changing to a downtrend. You understand? So an uptrend consists of higher highs, higher lows. You understand? What we call impulse correction, and we have what we call a consolidating phase. It's when the market is just going to the top down, you understand? And we also have what we call a downward trend, you understand, which consists of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, you understand? So this is very important for a trader, guys, or for any beginner or someone that is trading, to know market structure. It is very important for you to identify a market structure, guys. It's very, very important. So let me just show you again what I would like you to know. You understand? We have an uptrend, as you can all see, and then we have an impulse correction, impulse. You understand? Corrections can also be traded on smaller time frames, such as 1 minute or 5 minutes. You understand? But once you get to 1 hour, I'd really advise you to just trade an impulse. You understand? You have to follow a trend, guys, in order to stay profitable and avoid blowing accounts. You understand? So we have what we call a swing. It's what we know as an impulse. You understand? And then we have what we call a substructure, guys. A substructure, it is what we know as correction. You understand? So impulse correction, it's very important for us to trade that trend. You understand? It's very important for us to know the trend and trade along with the trend. You understand? So correction is something like this, guys. It's something that you can also identify on your smaller time frames. You understand? Then impulse, we all know it's a long momentum movement to the top side that breaks the previous high. You understand? So here we have what we call a previous high. We have a previous high there. So once the market breaks this high, we know that, okay, fine, we are heading to the top side, meaning new highs will be created. You understand? And obviously we will wait for the market to come down, whereby we will be taking our buying opportunities to break the previous high again. You understand? So when such happens, we know already that we are on an uptrend. You understand? Same applies to this when it's on a down trend. You understand? If it's on a downtrend, let me just do this. If it's on a downtrend, we know whenever the market breaks this previous low, we are heading to the downside. You understand? We know that, okay, now we are on a downtrend. You understand? So yeah, so market structure is very important. As for a consolidation, we have a consolidating phase, guys. A consolidating phase where the market is just going to the top down. You understand? So let me just do this. So we have a consolidating phase, guys. So for you to escape a consolidating phase, you have to wait for price to either break to the top side, or wait for the price to either break to the downside. You understand? But it has to break with a full candlestick. You understand? If it doesn't break with any full candlestick and closes above, you understand? If it doesn't close above with a full candlestick, or it doesn't close above with a full it doesn't close below with a full candlestick, then I would advise you to just let go until that happens, because you might blow the account. You understand? the market makers might manipulate you at some point. So yeah, then I'll just get into the charts and show you how we identify that, you understand. So let me just delete the drawings. Yeah, so as you can all see, guys, I'm on daily time frame. I'll just identify the market structure that I'm talking about. So yeah, let me just zoom in. So we have what we call an uptrend. So an uptrend, it can also be going in hand with a trend line, you understand. So I have what we call an uptrend, understand. I have what we call an uptrend. I'll just that trend there, you understand. I have what we call an uptrend, guys, understand. You can see that the trend line is it's showing to the top, you understand. It's heading to the top, understand. So I'll just delete this, and then I'll just show you how you can identify. So we had what we call a high there. We have another high there. We have another high there. Understand? So each and every high, it is broken, and a new high, it is created. You understand? So this is what we have, guys. We have a break of structure there. Understand? Sorry about that. We have a break of structure there. Understand, guys? We have a break of structure. We have a break of structure there. And also we have a what? We have a break of structure there. And we have another break of structure there. You understand? And whenever there is a break of structure, we always have a low. Understand? We always have a new low that's created. You understand? We always have a new low that's created. We always have a new low that's created. You understand? So this is what we call impulse correction, or sap, and also swing. So guys, I have my swing there, and I have my sap. I have my swing there, and I have my sap. I have my swing there, and I have my sap. You understand? So this is what I'm talking about. So let me just remove all these drawings. So since now I know, okay, fine, I have my high there. You understand? I have my high there, and I have my high there. You understand? So now I want to know if I could trade this correction. What I'll be doing is just draw a trend from there to there. You understand? I'll just simply draw a trend to there. So this also tells me that, okay, fine, the correction phase is done. Understand? Now I'm heading to an impulse. You understand? So it's easy, guys. Once the price decides to break, then you know that, okay, fine, I'm on an impulse now. Understand? Now you're taking your what? You're taking your take profit to the high there. You understand, guys? To the high there. Let's just keep it there. Let me just fix this. Understand? Then now again, you are taking your trend line from the high that was created. You're just simply doing this. You're simply doing this. Now you see that the price broke this trend. Now you know your correction phase is done. You just take your partial profits to the top. You obviously know that the previous high will be broken. This previous high will be broken. So you don't have to stress about you thinking that you will blow. You understand? So we have a new high there, guys. We have a new high there that was created. You simply take your trend line from that high to there. You understand? And you see that the market broke this trend. Now you know again, okay, fine, I'm taking my what? My trades to the top side. You understand? You're simply taking your trades to the top side. Yes, let me just correct this. You're simply taking your trades to the top side. Then now you see that, okay, fine, I have another high that was created. You simply take your trend line there, and you see that the market broke this trend line. You understand? And then you simply take your profits, guys. You simply take your profits to the next high. You understand? this is what you need to do, guys. Trading with the trend, you understand? Just trade along with the trend. You'll never go wrong, you understand, guys? You'll never go wrong. So this is what I wanted to show you. Trade with the trend and you'll never go wrong. Then let's see any consolidating phase that we can identify on the chart. Let's see any consolidating phase that we can identify on the chart. So far, okay, fine, there is a consolidating phase, guys. We have a consolidating phase there. We have a consolidating phase here. So something like this, it's not really accurate for me to trade. Whenever you notice something like this, just stay out of the trade, guys, because you can see that the market is just consolidating, you understand? Just avoid yourself from blowing your account, you understand? Thinking that you know what you're doing. Just identify the consolidating phase and just step out of the market. So let's see another consolidating phase. We have another one there. We have another consolidating phase there. Something like this, you can't trade it, guys. You'll never be able to trade it. That's why I'm saying you have to wait for the market to close with a full body candle. Then you know that you have broken, or the consolidating phase has ended, you understand? So yeah, I think now I'm done identifying the consolidating phases. Let's now go to the downtrend, you understand? So on the downtrend, I think this one is perfect. So on the downtrend, guys, you can see even with my trend line that we are heading to the what? To the downside. You understand? You can see that now we are heading to the downside. You can even see that we are heading to the downside. Your trend line guides you, guys. Allow your trend line to guide you. That's why trend lines are very important at some point, you understand? Because it gives you the direction. It also tells you where the market is going at some point, you understand? So let me just delete the trend. Let me show you. So a downward trend, you identify it when the lows are broken. So you can see that this low was broken. You can see that this low was broken. Let me just fix that. You can see that this low was broken, you understand? And also you can see that this there wasn't, okay, fine, okay, I will discuss this. Let's just forget about that. And you can see that this low there was broken, you understand? So this tells you that we are heading to the downside, because each and every time the lower lows are broken, understand? That tells you that we are heading to the downside. And if higher highs are broken, now you know that we are heading to the top side, understand? Let me just remove the drawings. And then now we have what we call a bullish reversal, you understand? We have now what we call a bullish reversal, guys. We have what we call a bullish reversal, you understand? Some people call it a change of structure, if I'm not mistaken, understand? SMC traders call that a change of structure, a cock, something like that. So we have a bullish reversal, guys. Also, this one is very tradable, you understand? You have to always keep in mind to know that whenever a low is broken, you have to wait for the market to come to the top side and give you a confirmation, you understand? Some know it as this, you understand? They just take their rectangle, and whenever the market breaks the low and comes to their resistance, they take the trades from that resistance to the top, to the bottom side. And then whenever the low is broken, they'll wait for another one to come just like this. Then now you know that the market is heading to the downside, you understand? So I saw something like that here. Okay, fine. So guys, let me just show you a quick preview. You can see that the high there was broken. The high there was broken, understand? So this was an indication that we are heading to the top side. But then what happened? What happened was this low, this low was broken, guys, understand? So this low was broken. So that tells you that now the bullish trend, or the bullish trend is now ending, you understand? It has already ended because the low was broken, you understand? The market didn't respect that low, So what you needed to see or keep in mind was you needed to know where you would be entering, you understand? So there was a resistance at some point that most people were gonna enter, but then now the thing is the market didn't come and tap into this, meaning you have missed your entry, you understand? So this is where I mostly use my tool, you understand, from that high there to that low here, you understand, to that broken low. As you can all see, guys, as you can also all see that this tool of mine, which I always use for my entries, it was respected, you understand? And guess what? I was simply gonna enter those selling opportunities to that low there, you understand? And just simply put my my stop loss above this high. So let me just stretch it there, and you can see that my TP was hit, you understand? And you can also see, let me just delete this, guys. Let me just delete that. You can also see that, okay, fine, I had my high there and I had my low there, and I can see that the market did come here and test on this zone, and then the market decided to push to the downside, you understand? The market decided to push to the downside. So you have to know your concepts, guys. You have to know your concepts, and you just have to simply follow your strategy in order to master everything, you understand? So you just have to simply use your concepts in order to master everything, you understand? Let's see. Okay, let me also see something. So we had our swing, sub, swing, sub, swing, and this low here was broken, you understand? The market decided to come there, somewhere there. Then you see it created new lows. So this is what happened there, guys, you understand? This is what happened. And even if you miss the entry, you can just simply take the tool from that high there to that low there, you understand? This low there, this low there. You can simply take, okay, fine, let me choose. You can simply take there, and you can see that the price came. You can see that the price came. Understand, guys? You can see that the price came into this zone there. The price came into that zone there. Understand? The price came into that zone there. And guess what? If I saw this setup earlier, I was gonna take those selling opportunities to break this low there, you understand? But I guess I never broke that low. That low was never broken. The market just decided to turn on its way to the downside. But then also the confirmation for you to know that, okay, fine, the market is now heading to the top side was gonna be this first break of structure there. This first break of structure was gonna be your indication that now the downtrend or the bearish trend is ending, you understand? And then you are gonna use the second break of structure. Sorry about that. You are also gonna use the second break of structure to confirm that, okay, now it's valid for me to take those buying opportunities. And then simply just use your tool from that low to that high there, you understand, and just take it to your right, and you can see that the market did come and test on that golden zone, and you're simply gonna stop your buying opportunities or your buying trades and just simply take those buying opportunities to the top side, you understand? And we did hit our TP. So this is how this strategy works out for me, guys. That's why I always say follow a market structure, guys. Following a market structure, it is very, very important, you understand? It is very important, guys. It is very important. So now I have another break of structure there. I have a break of structure there, and I have another one there. Sorry about that. And I have another one there, guys. I have another one there, and then these two will just be used from this sorry about that. This tool will just be used from this low there to that high there, understand, to that high. And guess what, we didn't get any entry, understand, we didn't get any entry. But then if I decide to take this to that high there, we got an entry point, you understand, we got an entry there. And then simply your buying opportunities we're gonna be taken from there, understand. And remember, we are on a daily time frame, understand, so you're simply gonna take your buying opportunities to that high there. So if I stretch this to my right side, I can see that TP was hit, understand. So now let's currently focus on this, guys. Let's currently focus on this. Let's currently focus on the current market. As I said, I won't be analyzing, but I will just show you what we need to expect. So we had a break of structure there. We had another break of structure there. So this was an indication that we are heading to the top side, you understand. So simply from this structure there to this high there, the market didn't come and retest, you understand. But from there, the market did come to this point there, you understand. So I'm just showing you this on a daily chart, guys. So as you can all see that we had a break of structure, new high highs were created, and we have what we call the new high that was created. But then we also have this low there that the market is not supposed to break. But then if the market decides to break this low, then now we know that the bullish trend is ending or has already ended, you understand. But we have to wait for another confirmation, understand, before we head to the downside. So if I have this high there, I should be waiting for another low to be created. Let's say this was my low. I was simply gonna take my 2 and wait for price to come to that golden zone there. Once price gets to that point there, now I'm simply taking what? I'm simply taking my selling opportunities to the downside, you understand. So this really works on all time frames, you understand. Some people are scalpers, so we have to go to 5-minute chart and see what 5-minute chart has for us, you understand. Let's see. So on the 5-minute chart, we can all see that, okay, fine, here we are heading to the top side because we had a break of structure there. That's why I always say trade with the trend, guys. Know your market structure, understand. So I'll just simply take my tool from that to there, understand, to that high there, understand. And the market simply came here. The market simply came. Let me just move to my 1-minute chart to verify that. So you can see that, okay, fine, the market came to that zone there, understand. The market came to that zone there, and simply my trades were taken to that high there. My TP was smashed, understand. So this is how it is, guys. Following a trend, following the market structure, knowing your phases, it's very important. And also knowing when the market is changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, it's very important, guys. So it's your only boy BSlex72, as you all know me. Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel and share the channel with your friends or anyone you know who's interested in trading, and comment below on your thoughts. Till we meet next time, guys. One love. Peace.